Honourable VC on the dais, Honourable Guest of Honour and Chief Guest, Ma'am, Honourable Dean, Dr. Deependra, and our own Ma'am here, Preeti Das. I have seen a lot of gatherings and in my experiences and all, but how is the Josh? Everything is fine with you. You are brand new here. I mean, a lot of parents are still having some apprehensions about you. That how do you go about this journey all along, in this period at Karnavati. So let me tell you something. We are here. We are here to take care, particularly to parents. I'm telling, as a Pro Vice Chancellor of Karnavati, and on behalf of Vice Chancellor, I take this pledge that we will take care of your kids very well. We will make sure that they are happy here. We will extend our all the support and warm welcome and wishing them all the success in whatever they do. But yes, there is a small responsibility also on the part of the new students, bright young students who have joined us. And it is that you should be sincere to the core. Stick to your regime. What you are here, what for you have come here. Have a plan of action for yourself. Like we talk, you design everything in a design school, all that. Similarly, in this school, I believe that with your dean, such a vibrant dean and Ma'am Preeti Das here, I think, you will have a wonderful time, let me tell you. You will really achieve you will soar to success, or pinnacle of success you will touch definitely. But yes, you should stick for the day. So think about the day and do whatever. And in Bhagavad Gita, if you have heard about Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says to Krishna, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna that, it is like Shraddhavan labate jnanam, right? So who has Shraddha will get jnanam automatically. So jnanam is knowledge. So the moment you have Shraddha, you have interest. So that kind of interest when you have, definitely, you will get the knowledge, whatever you are vying for. For example, another best example you can see is P.V. Sindhu, the bronze medalist in Tokyo. You might have seen how much toil she has gone through, in getting that a bronze medal. You may think it is a bronze medal, but let me tell you, the tennis ace, our Djokovic, he could not even get that bronze also in the tennis. That means to get a bronze medal is also so tough at that age, at that race of Olympics and all. So what I mean to say is, let us pick up something from that what kind of dedication we should have in life, what kind of skill, kaushal हम बोलते हैं. तो कौशल, कितना कौशल चाहिए हमें, कितना कौशल होना चाहिए हमें. और कौशलता ऐसा नहीं मिलता है ना आपको, तो आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी और आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. And you will definitely get success, but the path of success is not just for the day. You should keep doing it daily on a day basis. Think for it the day again, as I say always in my meetings and seminars, that you should always only take for the day, because tomorrow you don't know what will happen. But at least today you are there, today you are seeing it, and make it most of it. So with this, I conclude my small intro type of I don't think it is a lecture, but at least we are lecturers and professors, so we do teach like that. And thank you very much, Ma'am Preeti, for all this. And thank you, Dr. Deependra, for inviting us. And thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful day.